Welcome to this quick tutorial where you will learn exactly how to convert cryptocurrencies to regular Swiss francs. Before we begin, please make sure that you have installed the latest version of the Portfolio app. First of all, visit the website from Mount Pelerin. You'll find the link to the website in the description. Once you are on their website, you can select Sell on their widget and choose from which currency you want to convert to Swiss francs. Usually you would want to convert from XCHF or Ether to regular Swiss francs. Now type in the desired amount and select the network just below the input fields. You'll find out on which network a currency resides in your Portfolio app. If the currency resides on mainnet, it will have the regular Ethereum logo. Otherwise, it will have a red logo from Optimism. Finally, click Sell XCHF in order to proceed. After clicking on Sell XCHF, you will be asked to provide and confirm your phone number as well as your email address. Follow these instructions in order to reach the screen which you see now. As you can see, there are certain limits when converting cryptocurrencies to regular Swiss francs. However, these limits are higher if you go through the full KYC process. For reasons of simplicity, we won't do that right now and go with the normal limits. Let's continue by clicking Next. It's now time to connect your Portfolio app to the widget. In order to do so, click on Wallet Connect. After clicking Wallet Connect, a QR code will be shown on screen. Scan this code using your Portfolio app. Your sending address will then be shown automatically. To continue, click on Validate this address and confirm and sign the transaction in your Portfolio app. You will then be asked for your bank details. This is necessary so Mount Pelerin will know where to send the Swiss francs to. Continue as usual after filling in the information. Finally, you have reached the last step of converting cryptocurrencies to Swiss francs. It's now once again important that you send the correct currency from the correct address and the chosen network. If you are unsure about this step, feel free to reach out to us via the contact form on our website. However, given that you selected the correct currency in your Portfolio app, you can now proceed with sending the stated amount to the address provided. If you don't yet know how to send funds to another address, consider watching our tutorial on that first. Awesome! You have now converted cryptocurrencies to Swiss francs. You will receive an email confirmation right away and another one once the funds have arrived at your bank account a few days later. Thank you for watching this tutorial and goodbye.